Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 reviews. Today, thanks to McGovern RT Hyundai, we have the 2025 Hyundai Ioniq 5. This one is an SE all-wheel drive, sticker price of $52,110, Atlas white over black. Do have cloth seats, heated up front, 2 USB fast chargers. It's actually a good size rear door. I do love the look of the whole Ioniq line. You do have some nice aerodynamics in the rear spoiler. Obviously, this is not the N, but it is still absolutely rapid. Love the Ioniq 5 badging. Just a cool, quirky look to it. I like it. GTR door handles. Very cool, quirky interior. These paddles are for your regenerative braking. I have it in one pedal drive mode. Heated seats, camera, adjustable armrest here. That's actually high quality fabric for that sun visor. Typically that's just hard plastic. But drive modes, this I thought Porsche-ish. That's not that, you just push. Sport, I do like for the range, you have minimum, maximum, and what it thinks you're actually going to get. One thing that drives me nuts is electric range, how much it fluctuates. So having a minimum, a maximum, it's like, hey, if you drive really sporty, you're going to get 46 miles. If you are conservative, you'll get 80 miles. Based on how you're driving right now, you'll get 63. I like that. Obviously, it's not fully charged. This will get this will get I believe just under 300 miles of range. I'll have the specs in the description because I can't memorize all of them. This is all one pedal. I'm not touching the brake until right. I didn't even touch them at all. Very, very quiet, even over those bumps. Freaking tons of power from this thing. That is downright dangerous. I should have secured that charger. That's gonna drive me nuts. Cube! This is really fun to drive for being the base Ioniq 5. This isn't the N, which I'm hoping to get a chance to try today, but we'll see. This is just fun. It's good. It's got tons of power. I'm very, very impressed with this car. The Ioniq 5 had no right to be this good. Man, is it good. I love it. If this is what this one's like, I'm gonna lose my mind with the 5N. Oh. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.